Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the surface and adhesive, repositionable for temporary notes, permanent for long-term labels. Once chosen, measure and mark placement with a ruler so notes align. This prevents crooked clusters later. Make a quick mock layout using a scrap note to test spacing and readability. You want consistent margins and a clear sightline from the main working area, so place notes at eye level. If needed, trim edges with scissors for neat corners. You now add content. Write concise headers and one-line actions to keep focus. Once written, group notes by color to indicate priority and type. This helps your brain sort tasks quickly. Make vertical columns for sequence so you can scan top to bottom. This mimics a workflow and reduces cognitive load. Adjust spacing so overlapping adhesive doesn't reduce stickiness. Press firmly at edges to ensure adhesion and avoid curling over time. You finish by testing the setup. Walk the workflow and remove or move any obstructing notes. Once content is stable, consider sealing edges with a thin strip of clear tape to prevent peeling while keeping readability. Make sure to replace overly curled notes with fresh repositionable ones for reusable spaces. If a note won't stick, clean the surface with isopropyl alcohol, let it dry, and reapply. This fixes oil or dust that prevents adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.